I'm sorry. I accidentally stopped it. The baby clothes is drying. Sort of. I don't know what that means. It's 2.18. I don't know if that's supposed to be like 2 minutes and 18 seconds, but we're gonna find out. All I know is it's not drying it like it's supposed to. Me and the nurse talked about it, and yeah, you don't want to ever put wet clothes on a preemie, obviously. I wasn't going to do that. I just didn't think it was such a process to dry fucking clothes. It's easy to not use your brain sometimes, but did I actually want to put wet clothes on the baby? No. I never was going to do that. Ever. Anyway, I'm doing good here by trying to eat the healthy stuff too. I didn't eat that much. The hell am I looking at? See the hookups with the faucet, it looks like on the Jetsons, Rosie looks like her head. Her hookups of my head. Wash and dry your clothes. This is crazy. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna check this stuff in a minute. It's creamy baby clothes. It's so tiny. I was thinking of doing a music video in here. I don't know about in here in this laundry room, but maybe. Don't ask me why I just said it. Just when it came to my head, I just said maybe. It just I'm just these last however almost a damn month back and forth with the baby here and all that stuff is starting to get my brain a little bit. I'm like, I don't know. I'm glad I wasn't like watching TV the whole time though, but it's just like I was talking about preemies and like the beeping sounds and all that stuff, how it affects them. Well, shit, it probably affected me too, but I don't know. I'm gonna replace it with television and all this other shit. pretty soon. Anyways, doing good. It stopped. Let's find out. Hold on.